Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we will talk about complex sentences. In our previous lectures, we talked about simple sentences and compound sentences. Today, inshallah, we will talk about complex sentences. First of all, I will tell you that what is a complex sentence. A complex sentence is a sentence that contains an independent clause and one or more dependent clauses. Here, my dear students, I will tell you that what is an independent clause? An independent clause can exist on its own. It has a subject and verb combination, and it does not depend on any other part of the sentence. On the other hand, if we talk about dependent clauses, dependent clause, it also has a subject and verb combination, but it cannot stand alone. It cannot stand alone. It depends on other part of the sentence. Then it gives us complete meaning. Here I will tell you people an important point is that dependent clause is also called a subordinate clause, and independent clause is also called a main or principal clause. Here I will give you an example. When I got home from work yesterday, comma, I watched TV for an hour. Here, when I got home from work yesterday, this is dependent clause because it does not give us a complete meaning. It's not complete in itself. No doubt it has a subject and verb combination. And this portion, I watched TV for an hour, this is independent clause because it can stand alone. It gives us a complete thought or complete meaning. Look here, my dear students, there is when, when, when. Here, this is called a subordinating conjunction. First, I will tell you people that what's a subordinating conjunction. My dear students, look here. A subordinating conjunction is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. There are many subordinating conjunctions. I will give you some examples. When, because, if, until, even though, since, while. These are all subordinating conjunctions. These after, before, even if, even though, if, once, so that, than, that, though, until, whereas, wherever, whether, while, because, since. These are all subordinating conjunctions. You should remember that a subordinating conjunction is a word or phrase that links a dependent clause to an independent clause. My dear students, you should remember three important things about these complex sentences. First, in complex sentences, we put the order of dependent clause and independent clause according to our wish. Okay. Second important point, you should remember that if dependent clause comes first, जैसे इस sentence में आया है first in dependent clause, we put comma after that. Okay. But if independent clause comes first, we don't put comma after that. I will give you another example. Because my coffee was too cold, I heated it in the microwave. Because my coffee was too cold, this is a dependent clause, and I heated it in the microwave. This is an independent clause. Here, because this is a subordinating conjunction. Why this is subordinating conjunction? Because it links dependent and independent and dependent clause. There are more examples here. You can see, although he was wealthy, he was still unhappy. Let me know if you need any help. Here, this portion is independent clause and this is dependent clause. Okay, so we have यहाँ पे हमने comma नहीं डाला है because independent clause came first. That's why we don't put comma here. Okay, thank you, beta.